this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see by the title below, today I have a unboxing and styling of some really awesome boots that I recently purchased from the company Schutz. And Schutz has been around since 1995, so going on 25 years. And they've really established a name for themselves for being affordable luxury. Luxury in the sense that they are quality materials. And no, this is not a sponsored video. This is just me sharing something that I love, and I wanted to share it with you all because they're having a sale at Bloomingdales right now. And so I got a really great deal on these boots. They were originally $295 and I got them on sale for $140 plus shipping and tax. It came out to be about $165 or so. So I just wanted to share this boot with you because it is truly classic and stylish. So if you're into fashion and you're into styling, then stick around, go ahead, click like and subscribe, and please share this video. So let's jump into the unboxing. They came very well packaged, and here is the boot up close. Isn't it a beauty? Look at the beautiful leather. So these are all leather. This is outer leather. The sole is also leather, and the sock inside is leather, and the interior. So you can't beat that deal for an all leather boot. So you know this is a boot that's going to last you. I'm going to invest in getting like some protective, like a tap or something put up here and here, so they'll really last longer. But they were made in Brazil, and I got a 9.5, and they run true to size. They fit on my calves perfectly well. I guess I'm an average size calf gal, and I'm not athletic in the sense where I have muscular calves. So I read in the comments when I was looking at the reviews that someone who did have muscular calves says they were a bit of a tight fit. So if you tend to run on the large size with your calves, this might not be the boot for you, though there is like a little bit of give here on the side. It does zip on the interior part of the boot, but it's such a classic pointy toe boot, and I absolutely love it. The heel on this boot is 3.5 inches, which is a perfect height for me. I'm at that age now where I really can't wear anything too much higher than a 3.5. So this is absolutely perfect, and it fits comfortably. Like I said, it really does run true to size, and it's just a very sleek, sexy silhouette. And I absolutely love this boot. So I am going to be styling these beauties for you, and I'm going to give you 7 different looks for 7 days of the week. And I'll be styling them with casual and dressy casual, so something that you could wear to work, something that you could possibly wear to church, and just something that you could wear just every day, just kicking it. So let's jump right into the styling, and I'll be right back. For look number 1, I paired these boots with a vintage leather skirt that I thrifted and a red blouse from H&M. And the handbag, I think, is the perfect statement bag for this look. And this is a Michael Kors Nouveau Hamilton satchel. So this is a very classy look, and this is something that you could wear to church or to the office. It just all depends on the occasion and what your mood is. But this is look number 1, day 1. For look number 2, day 2, I am rocking these boots with a pair of black tights and a gold puffy mini skirt with a black turtleneck and a vintage crop jacket. I think this is a very kind of contemporary look and very chic. And the bag that I'm carrying is a Zoe bag by Coach, and it is with the imprinted signature. So this is look number 3, day 3, and I'm going for a very casual look. You can never go wrong with denim and a crisp white top. This white top is by White House Black Market, and I think the boots pair very well with it. I love how the blouse ties in the back. The handbag is by Lamb, which is a Gwen Stefani brand, and this is a vintage bag. It's probably about 20 years old, and this is look number 3. Look number 4, day 4. How about pairing your black boots with a nice leopard print skirt? This one is by Talbot's. It's like a velour or velvet type material, and I just think it pairs well with the black tights and the black turtleneck and a gold chunky chain. What a way to make a statement. Look number 5, day 5. You knew I had to do it. I had to do another pop of red. This is a Banana Republic dress that I recently thrifted and I've been wearing this summer, and I think it would transition very well into the fall with this black turtleneck, and I belted it with the Tory Burch signature reversible belt, and I paired the Henry Bendel number 7 quilted bag, and you have a very polished, sleek, feminine look. And I have to say, this is my favorite look out of the 7 stylings. For look number 6, day 6, I am representing my school. Yes, I am a proud graduate of Tennessee State University, which is an HBCU, a historically black college. I went there for undergrad, and this is an oversized sweatshirt. I got it in a XXX from College Crib. Shout out to College Crib. They've been around for a long time, and they have all the different paraphernalia for black colleges, you know, fraternities and sororities, specifically TSU. Love this shirt, and I'm rocking it with a pair of jeans, and I think the boots just add a nice flair. The bag is by Coach, and it is a soft Parker. By the way, the shirt does say hashtag I am Black History. For the final look number 7, day 7, I am rocking these boots with a pair of Old Navy Pop Icon skinny jeans and my 1971 classic tee, along with a blank NYC biker jacket, and the hat is by Ralph Lauren, and the handbag is the same handbag from the last styling, which is a Coach Parker soft satchel. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video on the styling of these Schutz boots. And the name of the boot, I'll leave all of that information in the description box below and on the screen. I will also leave a link to the Bloomingdales sale, so maybe you can grab you a pair. I'll also leave a link to the Schutz site as well. And hopefully you can get your hands on these beauties. Like I said, I think it's the perfect stylish boot for the fall and the winter. Just very dressy and just very sleek, and it's just a classic piece that will just go with so many different outfits. I don't think you can go wrong. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know in the comments below, do you own a pair of black say calf high boots, and if so, what brand? And we can just create some dialogue, because if these aren't available, maybe you all can read the comments and learn from one another and still get a great deal on a really nice pair of quality boots. My name's Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He truly loves us so much, and so do I. I'll see you next time. Bye.